Hey there, traders. Are you looking for the best Forex brokers to trade in Jamaica? Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, choosing the right broker is key. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 Forex brokers that cater to Jamaican traders. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 1, we have HFM, formerly known as Hot Forex. HFM is widely recognized in the Caribbean and offers an impressive range of trading instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and even cryptocurrencies. What makes HFM stand out is its user-friendly platform, competitive spreads, and exceptional customer service. With accounts starting as low as $5, traders in Jamaica can easily get started without a massive upfront investment. HFM also provides negative balance protection and segregated accounts to ensure your funds are safe. And let's not forget, they offer support in multiple languages, including English, making it perfect for Jamaican traders. Coming in at number 2 is IC Markets. Known for its lightning-fast execution speeds and low spreads, IC Markets is ideal for those who want to trade without worrying about high costs eating into their profits. IC Markets is a favorite among scalpers and day traders because of its raw spread account, which offers spreads as low as 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs. Their customer service is top-notch, and they offer 24/7 support to assist with any trading-related concerns. Plus, with multiple deposit options, including credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets, funding your account is a breeze. At number 3, we have FXTM, a broker that offers a variety of account types suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. FXTM provides flexible leverage and instant execution, making it easier for Jamaican traders to find the right trading strategy. Whether you prefer trading on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, FXTM has you covered. They also have educational resources to help you up your trading game. Our 4th spot goes to XM. Known for its no requotes policy, XM ensures that you get the price you click. They offer over 1,000 trading instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, and more. XM is perfect for traders who want to learn more, as they provide daily market analysis, webinars, and even personal coaching. Rounding out our list is FBS. They offer bonus programs and promotional events that can give your trading a boost. FBS also features a low minimum deposit requirement, making it easy for Jamaican traders to start with little capital. With various account types and a straightforward trading interface, FBS is a solid choice for traders of all levels. And there you have it, the top 5 Forex brokers for Jamaican traders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and updates. Happy trading! See you in the next video.